Hello, I am back with another hair dyeing video. If you're new here, a couple months ago I bleached my hair. I dyed it red. It faded like immediately. It was horrible. And then after that I reviewed some purple shampoo and conditioner. And now I'm back to retouch my roots. And I got a little Clairol Liquicolor High Lift Ultra Cool Blonde Blue. We're going to do that all over my hair. Try to make it as blonde as possible. So first step, I have to re-bleach the roots. So let's do that. I'm gonna start underneath. I've got about, what is that, an inch? A little more than an inch? 2 inches? I don't know, I'm bad at math. My hair grows pretty fast. So let us begin. Do not take anything I do as professional, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Trial and error. It's just hair. It grows back. This is just for fun. Okay, I pretty much used the entire packet of this and a little bit of another one just for my roots. I'm pretty sure when I bleached my entire head, I went through like 3 packets, so keep that in mind if you have a lot of hair. Now I'm going to wait like 20-30 minutes and then wash it out. Okay, I finally washed it out. It's like 2 a.m. so I'm exhausted. I very much missed a bunch of places. As always, you can see a patch back there and back there and some down here. So I'm going to let my hair air dry and I'm going to finish it tomorrow morning. Then I'm going to tone it or dye it or whatever tomorrow too.
The next day.
Okay, it's the next day. I bleached everything that needed to be bleached. I'm pretty sure I got 95% of my roots. I'm definitely not going to say 100% because I'm horrible at doing the back of my head. It's fine. It is what it is. I'm going to let my hair dry and then we're going to dye it. Alright, my hair's dry. I'm ready. This is actually day 3, and only because I'm lazy. I could have did it yesterday, but I didn't. This is the Clairol High Lift Ultra Cool Blue Blonde, 12AA through B, HL through B. I don't know what any of that means, but on the back it says to use 40 volume developer, but only if you need up to level 12 lift. I'm assuming I don't need that since I already bleached my hair. So I have the 20 developer here. It says to mix the developer 2 ounces of this to 4 ounces of developer. So I'm gonna do that. This stuff is extremely potent. Oh my god, do not take a big whiff. I wasn't even trying to smell it and it went straight up my nose. So you are aware, if you have one of these little cups, these little Tupperware cups or containers, this is about a third. So the entire thing is about 3 ounces. And then another third is 4 ounces. I have it all mixed up in this little container. Kind of looks like a boogie. Looks like a booger. I don't know if it's supposed to be that thick. I followed the directions. Guess I can thin it out. If this doesn't work, we shall see. Gonna start at the top this time. I'm going to leave the roots for last because apparently that's what you're always supposed to do. So let's start with this little section in the front. I'm going to clip everything back. Just get it out of the way. Okay. Hopefully this works. Oh, I should put gloves on, shouldn't I? Gloves, by the way, are way too tight. I got a size small. Figured out my hands aren't that big. Get a size medium or large. Way too tight. I do not like these. Let us begin. Oh God, it's so strong. It's so strong. Now it's turned like this green color, even darker. Looks like boogers. I will say sometimes I don't put enough on the end, and the ends always wind up darker. Oh God, my eye's watering now. So make sure you put enough on the end so it can all be the same color. Remember, gonna leave the roots for now. Ugh, hopefully I have enough. I don't know why I didn't buy 2 bottles because I normally need 2, but we're gonna hope for the best. And I'll just maybe thin this out if I'm looking like I need more, so I don't have to go back to Sally Beauty. My eyes really watering here. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. See? Okay. Hold on, I need to figure out how to wipe my eye. Alright, next section. This is turned teal now. Keeps changing colors. Trying to see in the mirror behind the camera. It's not working very well. Okay, I have a generous amount left. Hopefully that's enough to do my roots. I'm gonna do the top of my roots first. If I don't have enough to do the underneath layers, then well, no one's gonna know, right? No one's gonna know. Just don't look hard and you won't know. Let's do that. Let's do it. After I do this, you're supposed to leave it in your hair for 45 minutes. That's like the maximum time. So that's what we're gonna do. A lot of these roots are already white because I bleached my hair, so hopefully they don't need as much product. And if I don't get them fully, then I don't think it's gonna matter. Alright, I'm done. Now I wait 45 minutes. I did have a slight bit left. I did add a little bit more developer just because the dye was getting really congealed. Maybe I'm just too slow, I don't know. Hopefully adding more didn't affect anything. My hair looks blue-gray, but it is blue toned, so that's okay. 45 minutes and then I'll wash it out. Alright, I washed it out. And once again, the roots got really blonde, white. This is the color it's supposed to be. And the rest stayed yellow. I don't know what's going on. I'll wait for it to dry. Let's hope it looks better when it's dry. I don't know what I did wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. It's not me. I swear it's not me. It's totally not the amateur, okay? Okay, my hair is dry. This is the final product. Honestly, once it dried, it looks a lot lighter now. There might be like a piece or two in the back that's still a little bit darker, but most of it looks pretty good. Now, obviously, there's still some white pieces that are much whiter with that blue base than the rest of the hair, so it's just gonna have to stay like this for a while, that's all. Perhaps in a couple more months, I'll re-bleach it and try again. But for now, I'm very happy with the results. I'll probably keep using that purple shampoo and conditioner, and maybe it'll lighten up even more. I doubt it'll get to this color, but it might still lighten up a bit. I think it looks good though, so that's good. Voila, I'm all done now. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped or entertained in some way. I don't know how it would help. I don't know what I'm doing, but that's okay. We all had fun, and that's what matters. The fun we had along the way. Bye now.